Hi, my name is Alena and I am a teacher at Allright, and today I will share some phrases how to speak like a native speaker. Likewise, imagine that you're visiting your friends and after a pleasant evening they tell you, "You're always welcome at our house." How to answer "me too" another way. Good students would say "you're always welcome too," but native speakers would say "likewise."
Nice meeting you.
Likewise.
There. How to comfort someone who is crying. Don't cry, stop crying. This is unlikely to help. In English, that sounds like there. And this is how Sheldon Cooper from the Big Bang Theory loved to comfort his friends.
What's that? Tea. There.
You nailed it. Imagine that your friend had a successful interview. To support her, you can simply say, "You did it." And more informal option would be, "You nailed it."
Look at this one. Wow. You nailed it.
That's fair enough. If you want to end the argument by saying "all right," agree, a good replacement for "you're right" could be the phrase "that's fair enough."
I've said my piece. I'll leave these on your desk.
Okay.
Are we ready?
No way, yes way. If you are surprised by something, you can use the phrase "no way." And the person who said something amazing could answer with the phrase "yes way."
No way! Yes way!
Which of these phrases you used before, and share your ideas.